I'll take you towards Bollywood. It's Vishwarupam and its effect on the DTH and the Bollywood profit making. If you could take me to the second slide. Okay, Vishwarupam is basically a Tamil spy movie which is based on an Afghanistan terrorist based. It is surrounded by a lot of controversy. It was first picturized on 25th January and post that it is suffering from the 15 days ban. It is actually suffering from 3 controversies. We will have a look at that. Okay, last year there is a community called Hindu Makka Katachi in Tamil Nadu which says that okay, I'm sorry for the pronunciation. That Vishwarupam is basically a Sanskrit word and it's not the Tamil word, so it is anti-Tamil. So they wanted a ban on that name itself. They wanted the name to be changed. Now the Muslims have a concern saying since it's based on terrorism, people would start identifying any Muslim as a terrorist, and anybody who has a beard would be under suspicion. And when the ban was posted, what had happened was the ruling party, Kamal Hassan had made a comment last year that he would like to see a CM, somebody who is in a dhoti. So basically he was pinpointing at P. Chidambaram or Karunanidhi, and which generally they did not like. So what had happened, that has provoked the ruling party and there is a ban. To counteract that, Kamal Hassan has taken the matter to Madras High Court, and after the proper screening the ban was removed, wherein again the ruling party has come, and yesterday there was a ban by the Division Bench of Court. If you can see that there is a quote even by the Kamal Hassan which says he would like to see a dhoti clad comedian for Prime Minister at a function in Chennai last month. Okay. Now there is a business aspect to this. The concept of releasing Vishwarupam in India was through DTH basically, and then when this idea was proposed, a lot of bidding started happening. So there was a bidder from a DTH company which was very close to the ruling party, and for obvious reasons Kamal Hassan did not give the bidding to him. So again, because of that proposal never got approved, and Kamal Hassan had to go into the compromise that he would first release the movie on theatres and post that after 2 weeks of delay it would be released on DTH. Now Kamal Hassan is basically for financing this movie, he has mortgaged